1949 Bentley Mark 6. Price: $13,900. Location: Peachtree Corners, GA. The 1949 Bentley Mark 6 is one of the most significant luxury cars of the post-war era, and this example offers an exciting opportunity for someone looking to complete a rewarding restoration project. Finished in black with a refreshed blue interior, this classic Bentley combines British elegance with solid mechanical foundations at an attractive asking price. Powered by Bentley's renowned 4.3-liter inline-six engine and paired with its original 4-speed manual transmission, the Mark 6 was the company's first post-war production model and shares much of its engineering heritage with the Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith. According to the seller, the engine runs smoothly, maintains good oil pressure, doesn't overheat, and the manual transmission shifts easily, making it a strong starting point for its next owner. A number of important improvements have already been completed. The car has been fully repainted, while the interior features re-upholstered seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, new carpeting, and additional sound insulation for a more refined driving experience. Mechanically, it has received a Pertronix electronic ignition system, new spark plugs and wires, a modern dual fuel pump, and a professionally cleaned and sealed fuel tank to improve reliability. While the Bentley is running and driving, the seller is transparent about the remaining work. The brake system needs attention, new tires are required, the fuel gauge isn't working, the exterior lights still need to be connected, and some of the wood trim and door armrests would benefit from restoration. The original restored radio, complete with a modern 3.5mm audio input, is included, along with the original clock ready for reinstallation. 1941 Ford Super Deluxe. Price: $14,000. Location: Owensboro, Kentucky. The 1941 Ford Super Deluxe is already an American classic, but this unique custom build takes things in a completely different direction. Finished in bright yellow and inspired by the iconic Beatles' Yellow Submarine, this sedan combines vintage Ford styling with hot rod attitude and modern reliability. Under the hood is the original flathead V8 engine, updated with a new carburetor, new fuel lines, and a new fuel tank. The car has also been converted to a 12-volt electrical system and features dual exhaust, giving it improved reliability while preserving the unmistakable sound of Ford's legendary flathead engine. This Super Deluxe has been customized with a classic gasser-style stance, featuring a rebuilt raised front suspension, shaved bumpers, and weld wheels wrapped in staggered tires. 205/70 are 15 up front, and 275/60 are 15 in the rear. The aggressive look gives this 1941 Ford a personality that's impossible to ignore. Inside, you'll find a fully customized interior complete with a matching headliner, seat belts for 5 passengers, and an upgraded Pioneer 2000-watt 6-speaker Bluetooth sound system with Mixtrax technology. According to the seller, all the gauges are functional, including the speedometer and fuel gauge, and the car starts like a 2025 Ford, highlighting its dependable condition. The seller also states that the car runs and drives great, making it an ideal choice for weekend cruising, local car shows, or anyone looking for a classic that's both fun and easy to enjoy. Priced at $14,000, this 1941 Ford Super Deluxe offers an incredible value for a distinctive custom hot rod that blends classic flathead V8 performance, modern upgrades, and unforgettable styling into one eye-catching package. 1936 Ford 5-window coupe. Price: $29,800. Location: Athens, Tennessee. If you're a fan of traditional hot rods, this 1936 Ford 5-window coupe is sure to grab your attention. Finished in a deep metallic burgundy, this all-steel classic combines timeless pre-war styling with carefully chosen upgrades that make it much more enjoyable to drive on today's roads. Under the hood sits a dependable Ford 302 cubic inch V8 that runs strong, paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The driving experience has also been improved with front disc brakes, power brakes, and an upgraded steering system, giving the car better handling and confidence while still preserving its old-school personality. Inside, you'll find a well-kept gray interior that's designed for comfortable cruising. The car is equipped with working air conditioning, a functioning radio, added turn signals, and good glass throughout. The seller notes that the only minor issue is the driver's side window weather stripping, making this a very solid and honest classic overall. According to the seller, this Ford has a clean Tennessee title and is ready to be driven immediately. With its all-metal body, attractive paint, reliable V8 power, and tasteful street rod upgrades, it's equally at home at weekend cruise nights, local car shows, or simply enjoying a relaxing drive on the open road. Priced at $29,800, this 1936 Ford 5-window coupe represents an excellent opportunity to own a classic American hot rod that offers vintage looks, dependable performance, and modern driving comfort, all at a price that's hard to overlook. 1935 Cadillac Street Rod. Price $49,500. Location Crossville, Tennessee. If you're searching for a custom classic that combines luxury, performance, and unmistakable style, this 1935 Cadillac Street Rod is an outstanding choice. Finished with eye-catching custom paint, this rare build transforms a legendary pre-war Cadillac into a modern street machine that's built to be driven and admired. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 514 cubic inch Cadillac V8, delivering impressive performance and plenty of torque. It's paired with a dependable turbo 400 automatic transmission and a Lincoln rear end, creating a drivetrain that's both powerful and reliable for long-distance cruising or weekend events. The suspension and chassis have been upgraded with a Nova front clip, giving the car improved handling and ride quality. Four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, and power brakes provide confident control, making this classic much easier to drive than a factory-original 1935 Cadillac. Inside, modern comforts blend seamlessly with vintage styling. The car features vintage air heating and air conditioning, power windows, and a well-appointed custom interior that's designed for comfortable cruising. Authentic knockoff wire wheels complete the classic luxury look while adding a timeless hot rod touch. 1933 Dodge Coupe. Price $45,000. Location Dalton, Georgia. If you're looking for a truly unique pre-war hot rod, this 1933 Dodge Coupe is a one-of-one custom build that perfectly blends vintage styling with modern performance and comfort. Finished in a striking red exterior with a custom gray interior, this coupe has been thoughtfully built from the ground up to deliver an exciting driving experience while turning heads everywhere it goes. Power comes from a 340 cubic inch Mopar V8 paired with a dependable TorqueFlite automatic transmission, providing plenty of performance for cruising or weekend drives. The custom chassis features coilover suspension, rack and pinion steering, and American racing wheels, giving this classic Dodge handling and road manners far beyond what was possible in the 1930s. The exterior is filled with custom touches that make this car stand out, including shaved door handles, eye-catching suicide doors, and a clean, streamlined appearance. A Walker aluminum radiator helps keep the engine running cool, while the rear-mounted battery contributes to the car's clean engine bay and balanced design. Inside, the upgrades continue with custom leather bucket seats, power windows, a tilt and telescoping steering column, air conditioning and heat, plus a Kenwood audio system with a detachable faceplate. Special power window controls and custom upholstery add another level of craftsmanship, making this coupe as comfortable as it is stylish. According to the seller, the car comes with a clean Georgia title and is in excellent condition, ready to be driven and enjoyed immediately. With only about 4,600 miles showing, this professionally built hot rod has seen very limited use since its completion. Priced at $45,000, this one-of-a-kind 1933 Dodge Coupe offers an outstanding opportunity to own a custom American hot rod that combines timeless pre-war design, modern reliability, and unique craftsmanship into one unforgettable package. 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Price $40,000. Location Flat Rock, Michigan. The 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe is a true piece of pre-war American automotive history, and this beautifully restored example is ready to be enjoyed. Finished in classic black with a striking red interior, it perfectly captures the elegant styling that made Chevrolet one of America's most popular brands during the late 1930s. Under the hood is the dependable 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, paired with a traditional 3-speed manual transmission. This combination delivers the authentic driving experience enthusiasts expect from a classic Chevrolet of this era, with smooth power and simple, reliable engineering. According to the seller, the car has been completely restored and is in excellent running condition. With approximately 87,000 miles showing on the odometer, it starts, drives, and performs as it should, making it suitable for weekend cruises, local car shows, or adding to a vintage collection. The contrast between the glossy black exterior and vibrant red interior gives this Master Deluxe timeless appeal, while its restored condition means the next owner can spend more time enjoying the car instead of working on it. Priced at $40,000, this 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe offers a wonderful opportunity to own a fully restored pre-war classic that's ready to hit the road and turn heads wherever it goes. 1939 Plymouth Sedan P8. Price, $22,000. Location, Knoxville, Tennessee. The 1939 Plymouth Sedan P8 is a rare pre-war classic that's been thoughtfully transformed into a dependable restomod while preserving its timeless character. If you're looking for a vintage cruiser with modern reliability, this Plymouth offers an impressive combination of classic styling and practical upgrades. Under the hood is a Chevy 283 small block V8 with only about 1,800 miles since installation, paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission for smooth and effortless driving. Performance is supported by a Holley 750 carburetor, an oversized aluminum radiator, and a high-performance water pump to keep the engine running cool even on longer drives. Driving comfort has also been significantly improved. The car features front disc brakes with rear drums, air conditioning and heat, a new steering column and steering wheel, electric front bucket seats, and a completely new interior from top to bottom. A heavy-duty 9-bolt rear end and a brand new set of tires, along with 2 additional white wall tires, complete this well-rounded build. One of the biggest highlights is the body itself. According to the seller, it's completely straight, structurally solid, and free of body filler. The car is currently in primer, giving the next owner the opportunity to finish it in any color they choose. Even better, the seller has kept full documentation covering the restoration and upgrades. Like any project nearing completion, there are only a few minor items remaining. The windshield wipers need what appears to be a simple wiring repair, the speedometer still needs to be connected, and the car does not have power steering. Aside from those details, the expensive mechanical work has already been completed. The seller states that more than $30,000 has been invested in parts, labor, and restoration, making this an excellent opportunity to own a nearly finished custom classic without starting from scratch. 1940 Packard 120 Club Coupe. Price, $59,995. Location, Maryville, Tennessee. The 1940 Packard 120 Club Coupe is one of the finest examples of pre-war American luxury, and this beautifully restored survivor is an exceptionally rare find. With only an estimated 2,500 examples originally produced and very few remaining on the registry today, this all-steel Packard is a true collector's automobile that combines elegance, craftsmanship, and historical significance. This Club Coupe underwent a meticulous 3-year restoration in Oregon before being exported to England and eventually returning to the United States. Finished in its stunning French blue factory color, the body showcases exceptional panel fit, mirror-like paint, and outstanding attention to detail. The exterior is complemented by Packard dual driving lights, the original hood ornament, chrome bumper guards, correct white pinstriping, auxiliary turn signals, and beautiful 16-inch steel wheels finished in vermilion red with wide white wall BF Goodrich Silvertown tires. Inside, the cabin has been restored to factory specifications using premium wool upholstery from Bill Hirsch, featuring the correct stitching, piping, and contrasting door panels. The dashboard, steering wheel, headliner, and trim have all been professionally restored, while the factory gauges, heater, radio, horn, and turn signals remain fully functional. A unique feature of this coupe is its optional rear bench seat, which can be removed to create the traditional business coupe configuration or allow access to the fold-down jump seats. Under the hood sits the original Packard 282 cubic inch inline-8 engine, completely rebuilt during the restoration. The carburetor, fuel pump, water pump, generator, voltage regulator, radiator, and wiring harness were all renewed, ensuring dependable performance. Power is sent through a rebuilt 3-speed manual transmission equipped with the desirable factory overdrive, making highway cruising more comfortable. The suspension, braking system, rear axle, and exhaust have also been fully restored, giving this Packard the smooth, refined driving experience it was famous for. With just over 9,000 miles showing since restoration, this Packard represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking an award-quality classic that's equally suited for concours events, museum collections, or elegant weekend touring. 1946 Packard Custom Super 8 7-passenger Henney. Price: $62,500. Location: Johnson City, Tennessee. The 1946 Packard Custom Super 8 Henney is a remarkable piece of American luxury automotive history, and this beautifully preserved 7-passenger touring model is an exceptional example. Finished in an elegant blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this Packard represents the craftsmanship and prestige that made the brand one of America's finest luxury automakers following World War II. Built by Henney, Packard's renowned coach-building partner, this 7-passenger touring sedan offers a level of elegance and exclusivity rarely found today. Its spacious cabin and distinctive styling reflect an era when Packard was the preferred choice for executives, dignitaries, and luxury car enthusiasts. Power comes from Packard's legendary Super 8 engine, paired with a manual transmission that delivers the smooth, refined driving experience these prestigious automobiles were known for. With approximately 65,000 miles showing, this classic has clearly been cared for throughout its lifetime. What truly sets this Packard apart is its outstanding award history. According to the seller, it has earned numerous prestigious honors, including an ACA Grand National Senior Award, the Alt Park Concours d'Elegance Mayor's Cup, the Eisenhower Award at Greenbrier, and first place at the Packard National Meet. Achievements like these reflect the exceptional quality, authenticity, and presentation of this remarkable automobile. 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. Price: $40,500. Location: Huntsville, Alabama. The 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster is one of the most iconic hot rods ever built, and this custom example takes that legendary reputation to another level. Finished in a bold purple exterior with a tan custom leather interior, this all-steel, all-Ford build perfectly captures the spirit of a traditional American hot rod while offering modern performance and reliability. Power comes from a Ford 302 V8 equipped with a mild cam, producing a classic V8 rumble through a set of zoomy headers fitted with baffles. It's paired with a dependable C4 automatic transmission and a locker shifter, while a Ford 9-inch rear axle with a 4-link suspension and adjustable coilovers provides excellent traction and ride quality. 4-wheel disc brakes deliver confident stopping power, making this Roadster as enjoyable to drive as it is to admire. The attention to detail continues throughout the car. It rides on authentic Dayton knockoff wire wheels and includes 2 different rear wheel and tire setups, allowing you to switch between wide tires or a traditional skinny hot rod look. Other custom touches include a push-button start, tilt steering wheel, custom windshield, and a rumble seat trunk. As a true Roadster, it has no top, and the hood can even be removed to fully showcase the engine. Built in 2016 and 2017, this award-winning hot rod has accumulated only 1,488 miles since completion. According to the seller, it runs and drives beautifully, everything works as it should, and it consistently draws attention wherever it goes. The magnetic racing numbers can also be removed, giving the car 2 distinct personalities.